Take a ride in the 2019 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather trim seats, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, voice activated navigation system, universal garage door opener, wireless charging station, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.